Hello students, my name is Poonam Dua. I am from Imend Education Academy of Literature, and today we are going to cover few very important objective MCQ questions about Jane Austen. These questions are very important for UGC NET exam, MA English entrance and many other literary competitive exams. ये सभी क्वेश्चन और जेन ऑस्टन के बारे में जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप गैदर कर सकते हो वो सब आपको एग्जाम्स में बहुत काम आने वाली है। तो शुरुआत करते हैं एक क्वेश्चन के साथ। विच टू नॉवेल्स ऑफ जेन ऑस्टन हैव द स्पा टाउन ऑफ बाथ एज प्राइमरी लोकेशन? Emma and Pride and Prejudice and Nottingham Abbey and Persuasion and Emma. These are the four options. So the answer is Nottingham Abbey and Persuasion both have the spa town as a primary location, and hence the answer becomes option number C. In both these novels, she describes the unique beauty of the town. Next question is about Pride and Prejudice, which I think every literature lover must read. Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice starts with a famous statement: "It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in a position of a good fortune must be in want of a wife." As we get to read the novel, this statement seems to be made from the point of view of, now I'm giving the options, the surrounding families, Mrs. Bennet, Mr. Bennet, the women of जेन ऑस्टेंस एज एंड सोसाइटी। तो यहाँ पर कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑप्शंस दिए गए ABCD, जिसमें ए में दिया गया 1 2 एंड 3 एंड सो ऑन। आप रीड कर सकते हैं इन सबको। आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द राइट आंसर। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विच इज़ 1 2 एंड 4। हेंस वी आर लिविंग मिस्टर बैनेट आउट ऑफ दिस कैटेगरी। मिस्टर बैनेट एक डिफरेंट इंटेलेक्ट के पर्सन थे हु डिड नॉट बिलीव कि मैरिज होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, या फिर इफ़ somebody has come into neighborhood, just go after that person. So he was we do not even get to know कि he was in favor of marriage or not, but he was not running after this statement. He was not running, he was not dying for his daughters to get married. So this is why we cut Mr. Bennet out of this option, and option number B, hence 1 2 and 4 becomes the right answer. बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। द एक्शन ऑफ जेन ऑस्टेंस एमा इज सेट इन द विलेज ऑफ लॉन्गबर्न, ऑक्सफोर्डशायर, फर्नडीन और हाईबरी। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, हाईबरी। द मेन सेटिंग ऑफ एमा इज इन द विलेज ऑफ हाईबरी। From among the following, who are the Dashwood sisters in Jane Austen's Sense and Sensibility? Elinor, Marianne, Mary, Amanda. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 3 and 4। तो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 1 and 2, that is Elinor and Marianne. Elinor and Marianne are the protagonist sisters in Jane Austen's Sense and Sensibility. Next question. What ultimately happens to heroines in Jane Austen's novels? They leave the country, they die, they remain spinsters, or they get married. The answer is very clear, option number D, they get married. Now I'm going to give you a very interesting information about the end of few of the famous novels by Jane Austen. All 6 of Jane Austen's novel end with the wedding. This is a fact. On the final page of, let us talk about Nottingham Abbey first. On the final page of Nottingham Abbey, readers are informed that Henry and Catherine were married. The bells rang and everybody smiled. अब बात करते हैं सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी की। सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी कंक्लूड्स विद अ लाइन: एलिनॉर एंड एडवर्ड आर मैरिड इन बार्टन चर्च अर्ली इन द ऑटम एंड Marianne is placed in a new home with Colonel Brandon. Pride and Prejudice, the most famous Pride and Prejudice. In Pride and Prejudice, she mentions Mrs. Bennet gets rid of her 2 most deserving daughters on the same day. So hence, we get to know at the end of every novel that heroines are happily married. Next, in which Jane Austen novel do you find the characters Annie Elliot, Lady Russell, Louisa Musgrove, and Captain Wentworth? The correct answer is option number C, Persuasion. Next question. Vanity Fair is a novel by Jane Austen, Charles Dickens, W.M. Thackeray, or Thomas Hardy. So Jane Austen is just an option in this answer. The correct option is option number C. Vanity Fair is an English novel by William Makepeace Thackeray, W.M. Thackeray. Next question is related to the chronology. Which of the following arrangements of the author is chronologically correct according to their dates of birth? तो मैंने आपको जेन ऑस्टिन के वीडियो के बिगिनिंग में भी बताया था कि डेट्स याद रखना आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी हो सकता है। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के साथ, जो इनमें से सबसे पहले पैदा हुए थे। विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ 7 अप्रैल 1770। Walter Scott, who was a Scottish historical novelist and poet and playwright as well, was born on 15th August 1771. Next, S.T. Coleridge, born on 21st October 1772, and Jane Austen, 16 December 1775. Hence, option number C becomes the right option. Next question, whom does Harriet Smith finally marry in one of Jane Austen's novels? Knightley, Darcy, Collins, or Mr. Martin? So the right option is 4, Mr. Martin. Harriet Smith is a young friend of Emma. She is a character in the novel Emma, just 17 when the story opens, and she's a beautiful but you can say unsophisticated or so-called uncivilized girl. So hence she becomes one of the subject of Emma's misguided matchmaking attempts. Harriet finally accepts Robert Martin's, one of her acquaintance, second proposal, and they are the first couple to get married in this novel. Next is a piece of cake for the Jane Austen fans. What is the surname of 5 sisters in Pride and Prejudice? The answer is option number C, Bennet. Next question, who is the heroine of Mansfield Park? The right option is option number C, Fanny Price. This one is also easy for Jane Austen's fan. In Pride and Prejudice, what is Mr. Darcy's first name? The answer is option number D, Fitzwilliam. Next one, in Austen's comic novel Emma, what is the title character's name? Woodbine, Woodhouse, Woodrow, or Woodville? The answer is option number B. Emma Woodhouse is the protagonist of the novel Emma. Next question, what is the title of short epistolary novel Austen wrote in 1795? Lady Samantha, Lady Sarah, Lady Sharon, or Lady Susan? The last option is Lady Susan, which is the correct option. इन सभी ऑप्शंस के अगर आप सही आंसर्स जानना चाहें तो प्लीज़ दिए गए लिंक पर भी क्लिक करिए, जहां आप जेन ऑस्टन की कंप्लीट बायोग्राफी देख सकते हैं. यू विल बी रियली बेनिफिटेड. प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स.